We'll look at DeFi kingdoms in this video. The gardens are a site where you can stake liquidity pool tokens to obtain a share of power token emissions in each realm. Players can stake to obtain jewel emissions in Serendale's Jewel Gardens, while those who stake in Crystal Valley's Ice Gardens will receive crystal emissions. Our hero NFTs, which give actual in-game utility, are one of DeFi Kingdom's most distinctive elements. One such example is the mining industry. Players who have locked prizes can send their heroes on jewel or crystal mining quests to unlock some of them early, allowing them to access locked rewards before Epic 51 and unlocking them faster even after then. Because not all heroes will have the same level of mining expertise, it's crucial to understand the various stats heroes employ and how each profession works before purchasing and using them. Deposit and withdrawal fees for garden staking. Staking LP tokens in the gardens incurs no deposit costs. We have instituted withdrawal fees for staked LP tokens to protect against flash loans and pump and dumps. The fee timer is reset after each withdrawal. The following are the withdrawal fees. If a person withdraws after 4 epochs, they will be charged a 0.01% cost. If a user withdraws after 2 epochs but before 4 epochs, there is a 0.25% cost. If a user withdraws after 5 days but before 2 epochs, they will be charged a 0.5% fee. If a user withdraws in less than 5 days, there is a 1% fee. If a user withdraws money in less than 3 days, there is a 2% cost. If a user withdraws money in less than 24 hours, there is a 4% fee. If a user withdraws money in less than 1 hour, there is an 8% fee. If a user withdraws during the same block, the cost is reduced by 25%. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.